Hello, Facebook friend. I'm Dave Wallace, owner of Bittersweet Herb Farm, and here we are with another edition of On the Fly Quick Cuisine. So, here at Bittersweet Herb Farm, our goal is to give you the confidence to be able to cook easy, delicious, and healthy meals that your whole family will like. So, that's one of the great things about Bittersweet Herb Farm products is that they're very easy to use and you can make a variety of meals with them. So today, in preparation for the holiday season, we're going to make a quick salad. The main point we're making today is the salad dressing that we're going to make. So I'm going to get a little bit of salad here. Oh, you know what? Let me make a couple of announcements first. We are actually participating in a virtual craft show starting tomorrow. It's produced by Premier Promotions out of Western New York. They are one of the best promoters that we work with. They have 4 of the best shows that we used to do. And they have created this virtual show. It will be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. We will be putting a post on our Facebook page with a link to get to that show. Also, if you are on our email list, you will receive an email with that link to get to the show. So check it out. I mean, I don't know how many vendors there are at this point. I think it's approaching 100. So it's going to be a pretty interesting show, and you'll be able to shop right from the comfort of your home. Check it out. Oh, another thing. We now have our gift line on our website. So we do drop ship. You can do your Christmas shopping right on our website, and we ship right to whoever you ask us to ship to. So there's about 4 or 5 different gift baskets, or gift boxes, I guess I should say, and in addition to the sets we already have. So check that out. A lot of nice sets there, a lot of nice price points. All right, so now I'm going to move on. This is going to be really quick. So I got some Olivia's salad mix, spring mix, and I'm just going to take a little bit, put it on my plate here, and then I'm going to dress it up with some julienne red peppers. I'm not going to get too fancy here because I'm just going to eat it. Some shredded carrots, some sliced cucumbers. Oh, actually, it's looking pretty nice. So, and then I'm going to make the salad dressing. Now, we start with 2/3 of a cup of olive oil. And the reason I'm putting it into a measuring cup first is that I'm afraid that I will spill trying to get it into here. So, first I'm going to put it in here, and it should be easier for me to pour it into the cruet here. So, 2/3 of a cup of olive oil. Then we have 1/3 of a cup of our maple balsamic vinegar. And then we have a couple of tablespoons of our lemon pepper oil. Add that to it. And then finally, this is a couple tablespoons of tamari, but what I've also done is I've thrown in maybe a heaping teaspoon of zesty garlic and let that rehydrate in the tamari before I add it to this mixture. All right. So this is a slight variation of a salad dressing recipe we already have on the website. And the only real difference is that I've added a little zesty garlic because I think zesty garlic just gives a little extra kick. All right, I'm going to mix that up just a little bit, whisk it up a little bit, and see if I can get it in this cruet without making too much of a mess. All right. So that was a good. My angel behind the camera there suggested I do it that way because she knows I'm generally a very messy cook. So we'll shake that up pretty good and pour a little bit over my salad and see how it tastes. Actually, I know how it tastes because I've made this many times, but for your benefit, I'm just going to try mine. That is such a simple salad dressing to make, and it is so good. Wow. And the zesty garlic does just add a little bit of zip to it. All right, that's it. That was pretty simple, huh? Nice salad dressing for your holiday season. So, next week, we are only having one show. As a matter of fact, we're going to one show from now on. With the holiday season's approaching and stuff, we're just really busy. So next Wednesday, one show, don't miss it. All right, thanks. Have a great day.